10 Harmful Substances to Septic Tank. A well-maintained septic system is essential for your home, but certain substances can harm it, leading to expensive repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 common substances that should never be introduced into your septic tank. 1. Antibacterial soaps. These kill the bacteria needed to break down waste in your septic tank, disrupting the system's balance. 2. Chemical drain cleaners. Harsh cleaners can corrode pipes and kill beneficial bacteria, causing blockages and reducing the tank's efficiency. 3. Bleach. While great for cleaning, bleach is harmful to septic tanks. It kills the good bacteria needed for waste breakdown. 4. Non-biodegradable items. Things like wipes and sanitary products do not break down and can cause clogs in the system. 5. Cooking oils and grease. These can solidify in the pipes and septic tank, leading to blockages and preventing proper waste processing. 6. Pharmaceuticals. Flushing medications, especially antibiotics, disrupts the bacterial balance in the tank. 7. Pesticides and herbicides. These chemicals harm the bacteria in your septic system and can contaminate groundwater. 8. Paints and solvents. Toxic chemicals can damage your tank and harm the environment. 9. Excess water usage. Too much water can overwhelm the system, pushing waste into the drain field before it breaks down. 10. Cigarette butts. Non-biodegradable and filled with toxins, cigarette butts can harm the system and add unnecessary bulk. By avoiding these substances, you can keep your septic tank functioning efficiently and avoid costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.